You may have inherited more than just genetics from your parents. We inherit eye color, hair color, height. All of these things come from our genes. But what if I told you that the state of our parents' nervous system directly influences ours? We inherit nervous system patterns from how we handle stress to how we emotionally regulate to how we perceive the environment around us. Research shows that chronic stress can actually influence how our genes are expressed, both inside the womb as we're developing inside our moms, but also later in life. Now, I'm not saying this directly alters your DNA, but it does change how your DNA expresses itself inside your body. So, if anxiety or reactivity runs in the family, it's not just about personality. It can actually be pattern physiology, and patterns can be inherited. But the good thing is, just because you inherit it doesn't mean that it has to be a permanent pattern. Nervous systems are adaptable, and awareness is the first step in making those big changes. I like to call this concept generational health because if it ran in the family, it can stop at you. You can be the change in your family and set the new patterns that you pass on to your future kids or your family or your community. Awareness is the first step in change. And as a family chiropractor here in Lee Summit, Missouri, I help build awareness with individuals and families who are ready to stop those generational patterns from repeating themselves, create new mental, healthy patterns that they want to pass on, and overall increase their ability to adapt to stress. If you're interested in working with me, there's a link in my bio. Follow for more.